expect. Oh, look at this. All kinds of junk.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but what I've done is I put a ABS piping 2-inch over top. The bolt is here, the nut is there, so it's above that, and so it's not going to come off. It's actually above the little skid plate there too. So run that the whole length. Bought a 6-foot piece of tubing. So I ran the piece down my table saw. Took out about a little over 3/8, almost half an inch for this one anyways. It's got a little bit of flex to it both ways. And then just by running this along here, and then I pounded the rubber mallet. I just put that there and I pounded it on, slid it all the way down. So that's supposed to help with gravel driveways or tarps, so nothing will catch. Even these feet will catch. Right now they're just about even with that, so that works perfect. It won't wear out the plastic that much either, and the feet won't catch and the blade won't catch, and it's been working good. After seeing a few videos on YouTube, I decided to try this out. It's a 2-inch plastic ABS pipe, and I cut about 3/8 of an inch out and then hammered it on the whole way on the blade. It's supposed to work good with gravel driveways, and I got a tarp under part of my driveway, so I don't want to rip that up. It's better than the feet. The feet will catch the tarp, so I don't want any part of the blade catching the tarp. And we got about 8 inches of snow here, and one thing I'm finding is I'm able to run up on top of the snowbank and push the snow back further, which is nice. I couldn't do that before unless you lifted the blade and took a run at it, but now the blade just floats up on when you hit the hard stuff. I'll show you. Nice. See, it pushes it right up over top. Right into the trees. So now I'm able to get more room now. There we go. Up and over. All in all, I think that was a pretty good idea. Works well. Gets it right down to the old hard stuff, and I can push up the bank as much as I want. Nice. Thanks for watching.